Travelon Luggage Flat-Out Toiletry Kit, Midnight. Opens flat to lay in suitcase or zips closed to form a compact kit. Clear pockets provide full view of contents. Includes 4 zip compartments, 2 slip pockets, loops for brushes and front zippered pocket. Closed. 12.75 x 7, 5 by 3. Open. 18 by 20 by 2. Beauty junkie or minimalist, keep it organized inside with the Travelon Flat-Out Toiletry Kits. The kit opens to lay flat in a suitcase when packing bulkier items or zips closed to form a compact kit for those small travel goods. The clear pockets provide a full view of contents, and 4 zip compartments, 2 slip pockets, loops for brushes and front zippered pockets, make it the perfect toiletry kit for all situations. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy bag with plenty is room for traveling essentials. Lots of room and seems well made. I am replacing a well-traveled kit from another manufacturer and prefer the zippered pockets of this one, which provide secure space for a variety of items. The hanging loop, which can be opened and then snapped back to place over a rod, is a nice touch. I think this is a great travel kit.